Allah is the first and the last, the most high and the most near, and He has knowledge of all things. Surah Al-Hadid 57:3.
Before time, before the sun, before the stars, there was only Allah, the Eternal. Nothing else existed. No sky above, no earth beneath, only His presence. Indeed, your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Then He established Himself above the throne. Surah Al-A'raf 7:54. It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in 6 days. Then He established Himself above the throne. Surah As-Sajdah 32:4. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe? Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. Then He turned to the heaven when it was smoke and said to it and to the earth, "Come willingly or unwillingly." They said, "Wow, we come willingly." Surah Fussilat 41:11. And He placed on the earth firmly set mountains over its surface, and He blessed it and determined therein its sustenance in 4 periods, without distinction, for those who ask. Surah Fussilat 41:10. And it is He who spread the earth and placed therein firm mountains and rivers, and from all fruits He made in it 2 mates. He causes the night to cover the day. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who give thought. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:3. And after that, He spread the earth. He extracted from it its water and its pasture, and the mountains He set firmly, as provision for you and your grazing livestock. Surah An-Nazi'at 79:30-33. The Qur'an beautifully describes the nature of rivers and forests as signs of Allah's power and mercy, showing how they sustain life on earth. Allah says, "And it is He who spread the earth and placed therein firm mountains and rivers, and from all fruits He made in it 2 mates. He causes the night to cover the day. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who give thought." Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:3. Rivers are portrayed as lifelines flowing across the earth, nourishing the land and providing balance, while forests, gardens, and orchards grow from the water Allah sends down from the sky. In another verse, Allah says, "And we sent down from the sky pure water, bringing forth by it gardens and grain for harvest, and tall palm trees with spathes piled one above another, as provision for the servants, and we gave life thereby to a dead land. Thus will be the resurrection." Surah Qaf 59-11.